So, the PayPal zip code problems mainly pop up at two crucial points. First, when you're trying to link a new credit or debit card, and second, when you're completing a purchase on a site that uses, advanced security checks. The main reason behind this is actually a security mismatch. The zip code you enter on PayPal needs to be exactly the same as the one your bank has on file for your card's billing address. And honestly, when you link a foreign card, the system often has trouble matching your country's postal code format with what PayPal expects, which, leads to failure. Alright, here are 5 instant tricks to fix this. First, verify the code. Just call your bank right away and confirm the exact postal or zip code that's linked to your card's billing address. Sometimes, it might be different from your mailing address. Next, update PayPal first. Head over to your PayPal account profile and update your complete address before you try to relink your card. This helps sync up your information internally. Okay, so 3. Try a default. If you're shopping on a US website but using a foreign card, some users have had success by entering 5 zeros, 00000, if their bank doesn't use a typical 5-digit zip code. 4. Check all fields. Make sure the state or province you select in your PayPal address matches the postal code. Any mismatch anywhere in the address, honestly, can cause the zip code problems. 5. Use a direct link. If your card keeps failing, just link your bank account directly to PayPal instead of the card. Bank account verification is usually more stable than card verification, and, it often works better. Use these quick fixes to make sure your transactions go smoothly and get rid of the PayPal zip code error for good. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Banking Digits for more financial hacks.